Don't say anything, guys. Oh my god. Please give me a look. Look. Mac just wants to sleep right now. Nala. Hi, Nala. She's so interested. Mac's like, look at me like, what? Oh my gosh. She wants to sleep next to me. Maybe because she sleeps with her brothers and sisters. Yeah. Yeah, she does. Mac is like, oh my god, get out of my space. Oh. You're not going to stay, you're still. She really wants to sleep next to that. I think she likes Mac more than Phoebe. Because Phoebe's brown. No, because Phoebe's just snobby. She's like really rude. Yeah, Max, look, Mac doesn't care. She's just looking at him like, look at her. She keeps wanting a reaction from him. Yeah. She's nuzzling next to him. No, she's picking at him. No, she's nuzzling. Mm-hmm. Mac, it's your friend. Oh my god. It's your friend, MacIntosh. She keeps stepping. Where's your friend? I want to just sleep with her. Yeah. I don't think Mac will do anything to her. I don't think so either. No, he's a baby. Mac knows that. Oh my gosh. She likes Mac. Oh, I see both of them. She's like following Mac. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hi. Hi. Oh my god. Hello. She loves Mac. You love Mac? I think she just likes Mac. Oh, she's so cute.